Experience the joy of making delicious s'mores without the hassle of building a bonfire. Our indoor electric s'mores maker allows you to create the perfect roasted s'mores right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Whether it's a family night, a cozy gathering, or an indoor camping adventure, this tabletop s'mores maker is the ultimate addition to any occasion. Say goodbye to open flames and enjoy the convenience and safety of our electric flameless heater. Join us as we explore the features of our indoor electric s'mores maker and discover why it's a must-have for creating memorable moments. Here are the key features of Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric s'mores maker. Indoor fun for the whole family. No need to wait for a camping trip to enjoy the fun of making s'mores. With our indoor electric s'mores maker, you can bring the excitement of this campfire tradition right into your home. Gather around the table and create perfect, gooey s'mores that will delight the entire family. It's the perfect activity for family nights, parties, or any occasion that calls for a touch of sweetness and togetherness. Flameless heater for safe and convenient roasting. Forget about the risks and hassles of open flames. Our indoor electric s'mores maker is equipped with a flameless heater that ensures a safe and hassle-free roasting experience. Simply plug it into an outlet, and the electric heater will provide the perfect amount of heat to toast your marshmallows to a golden brown. Enjoy the comforting taste of freshly roasted s'mores without the need for firewood or matches. Roasting forks and compartment trays for easy sharing. Our s'mores maker comes with 2 stainless steel roasting forks, allowing you to safely roast your marshmallows without getting too close to the heat. The 4 compartment trays provide easy accessibility to all your favorite s'mores ingredients, so everyone can customize their treats just the way they like them. It's a convenient and enjoyable way to share the s'mores experience with family and friends. Easy to clean design for hassle-free maintenance. We understand that cleanup can be a deterrent to using kitchen appliances. That's why our indoor electric s'mores maker features a durable base and easy to disassemble trays, making it a breeze to clean after each use. Simply wash the trays and wipe down the base, and your s'mores maker will be ready for the next gathering. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Nostalgic charm and thoughtful gift idea. At our company, we are passionate about preserving the past while embracing the present. Our indoor electric s'mores maker embodies the nostalgia of early 19th century America, bringing a touch of timeless charm to your home. With its easy-to-use, one-touch power settings, it also makes a thoughtful and unique gift for housewarmings, birthdays, or just because. Share the joy of s'mores with your loved ones and create lasting memories together.